In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Google Sheets. While Google Sheets doesn't offer a direct justify option like Google Docs does, there are simple ways to align your text that can create a clean and organized look. Let's go through this process step by step, ensuring that your data presentation is both effective and visually appealing. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheets file. Start by heading over to your Google Drive. From there, locate and open the specific spreadsheet you want to work with. Once your document is open, you're ready to begin formatting your text. Next, identify the cell or range of cells that contain the text you wish to justify, or more precisely, align. Click on these cells to select them. If you're looking to align text in multiple cells, click and drag across the desired range. This selection will be the focus of the alignment adjustments you'll make. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheets interface. You're looking for the horizontal align icon. It resembles lines that represent aligning text to the left, center, or right. This icon is a powerful tool for manipulating the alignment of your text and will enable you to choose how your content is positioned within each cell. Once you've located the horizontal align icon, click on it to reveal the alignment options. These options include left align, center align, and right align. While Google Sheets doesn't provide a fully justified alignment like you might find in a word processor, these three choices allow you to create the desired visual effect for your spreadsheet data. Choosing left align will push your text to the left margin of the cell, which is often the default option for most spreadsheet users. If you opt for center align, your text will be evenly distributed across the cell, providing a balanced look that is particularly useful for titles or headings. Lastly, selecting right align will move your text to the right margin, which can be aesthetically pleasing in certain contexts or necessary for numbers and certain types of data. It's important to remember that while Google Sheets lacks a fully justified alignment feature, these options can help you maintain a neat and organized spreadsheet. Aligning your text appropriately can greatly enhance readability and presentation, making your data more accessible and professional looking. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can effectively align text in Google Sheets, creating a more structured appearance for your data. So go ahead, give it a try on your own spreadsheets, and watch how a little alignment adjustment can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more tips and tricks for maximizing your productivity with Google Sheets.